show your ingredients. Hey, you want to come over here and show your ingredients here?
Go ahead.
You've got your choice of meat. This is pork. This is sausage. This is shrimp, egg, lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise. Some people put onions, so you want to prep all that up. Cut all your stuff in advance, and right here. Now the water is ready over here. The grease, I'm turn that down. Okay, now crack the egg here. You want to do a jumbo St. Paul. Well, you know what? I'm going to put I want to put the cornstarch in it. I didn't make it up. Okay, salt and pepper. Turn it down a little bit. I can't see. I'll return it down. When you cook, you gotta make sure you cook safety as well. Okay, yeah. Get the air in there. There. See how it's going like that? No, I'm always low. You want low. Yeah, right there. Just a handful like here. For meat. Put the meat over here. That's the one St. Paul. This is a double St. Paul. This is a jumbo. Oh. Handful of those. That's right. Handful of those. Yeah, and your mixture. Same thing you use in fried rice. Okay, pour it slowly. This is going to form. Okay. Right here. So make sure it stays in a circle. You don't want it to move. Okay. Put all my ingredients on here. This thing's going to move out.
I would suggest
if I didn't have a wok,
that when you're doing that, you first want to establish a circle before you add in the middle. Right. By putting the grease on the side.
Well, no, not yet.
Granny used to just put the grease on the side before that.
Oh, before, okay, you wash. Okay, she put the grease. This she added ingredient. The rest of it.
You want to, you want to make sure that your shape is established first.
Okay. So I don't want it to run off. That's the key right there. Now, if you have a wok, you don't have to do this. That's how Granny was also cooking in the skillet. If you have a wok, you pour it in that wok, it forms this shape. There you go. This is the same thing you use also for the egg bouillon. Same egg patty that you put over rice and make your gravy. Same thing. South African, a lot of people don't know what is a St. Paul. Never heard of it. It's a egg bouillon patty on a sandwich. I'll make sure the egg is nice and done. Oops, excuse me. Egg is nice and done on top of there. Come on, spatula go.
Spatula. Give us a spoon.
I use this, sir. To hold it. Like I said.
Lightly good.
This is a jumbo St. Paul. And how much they charge you for this in St. Louis, Patty? $3.20?
$3.25 to $4.25.
And we didn't put the
maybe even $5.
We didn't put the bean sprouts in here.
Because some of this mine, Keith doesn't want shrimp.
You don't like bean? What he was?
He doesn't want shrimp.
Oh, okay. Oh, what?
I don't know why.
Girl, when he gonna get it first, cause he's hungry. He been waiting. He from another part of Illinois, never heard of a St. Paul. To Maxine, cause they always in line waiting on St. Paul. You guys keep it down with videotaping. That's those are grandchildren. Okay, there you go, pose. Okay, this is it, you guys. It's ready to go. I think it's ready, nice and done on the inside there. Man, I tell you, if you've never had a St. Paul, you won't. It is absolutely delicious. Isn't it, Patty? Patty's one of her favorite meal. What they call comfort food. Okay, and you tilt it to the side of the oil drip off of it. Right there. Come in close, Patty. Come in close. And then you put it on a paper towel here. Let it drain. Let it drain. Then we'll get ready for the piece next. Oh, don't get my sink over, baby. Get that over there. Now I'm ready to keep. I didn't know you didn't want shrimp keys. I would have made yours first. Okay. Okay, don't get the sink here.
Okay, can you finish this sandwich?
Yes, I am. Okay, now that it's ready and nice and the oil is drained off of it, take it, put on top of that, put your on there, right there, and you scoop up some fried rice here. Okay, this is the meal that she's gonna be enjoying. Special fried rice. Usually when you cook chunks of your meat, your shrimp, so you can see it. Now you talk about some good eating. That's it. Is that good eating? Enough?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's fried rice and St. Paul from your own kitchen, Maxine's kitchen. Okay, now we'll go over here and do these.